In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin a post on your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page. After that, just scroll down and search for a post you would like to pin. Let it be that one. To pin a post, we need to tap at these three dots and then tap at Pin Post. That will pin it at the top of your Facebook profile page timeline. And then, if we would like to unpin that post, we can do so in the same way, by tapping at Unpin Post. That's how you can easily pin and unpin posts on Facebook.